We are just days away from a massive shift in the supply chain. New Q3 wholesale pricing and summer drought projections are about to hit the grocery stores. If you don't secure your emergency pantry right now, your dollar is going to buy a fraction of what it does today. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and you need to buy these 5 foods before June 1st, 2026. Let's go. Number 1. Pure olive oil. Mediterranean droughts have completely decimated global yields. Come June, the new import costs will hit the shelves, making this essential calorie-dense survival fat an absolute luxury item. Number 2. Hard white wheat berries. Do not just buy flour. Whole wheat berries last 30+ years, and with extreme summer weather threatening the 2026 harvest, bulk grain prices are about to skyrocket. Number 3. Freeze-dried meats. June marks the start of peak hurricane and wildfire season. The moment regional disasters hit, the prices on long-term freeze-dried proteins surge. Beat the panic buyers. Number 4. Raw honey. The ultimate survival food with an infinite shelf life. Agricultural shifts are pushing wholesale honey prices to record highs starting next month. Secure your medicinal and sweetening preps immediately. Number 5. Canned butter. Amateurs ignore dairy, but canned butter like Red Feather provides critical fats for a grid-down crisis. Summer dairy inflation is going to make these cans unaffordable very soon. The clock is ticking. You must buy these 5 foods before June 1st, 2026. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore food stockpiling tactics, and I'll see you next time.